Welcome. Have a seat. I am happy to see you here again learning more about psychology. But if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now let's start. Gestalt Psychology is a school of psychology that focuses on the organization and holistic nature of perception and cognition. It emphasizes the role of the mind in shaping and interpreting sensory information, and it suggests that the mind organizes stimuli into meaningful wholes rather than simply reacting to individual stimuli. The term Gestalt is a German word that means form or shape, and it refers to the idea that the mind organizes stimuli into patterns or structures. According to Gestalt Psychology, the mind actively organizes sensory information into patterns that are meaningful and coherent, rather than passively reacting to stimuli. One of the key principles of Gestalt psychology is the idea that the whole is greater than the sum of its parts. This means that the mind is able to create meaning and understanding from the combination of multiple stimuli, rather than just reacting to individual stimuli. For example, when we see a picture of a face, we don't just see a collection of lines and shapes. We see a cohesive and meaningful image of a person. Another key principle of Gestalt psychology is the idea of closure, which refers to the tendency of the mind to complete patterns or fill in gaps in order to create a cohesive and meaningful whole. For example, when we see an incomplete circle, we tend to fill in the missing part in order to perceive a complete circle. This principle helps us to make sense of incomplete or ambiguous stimuli. Gestalt psychology also emphasizes the role of perception in shaping our understanding of the world. It suggests that we perceive the world not as it is, but as we expect it to be based on our past experiences and expectations. This means that our perception of the world is influenced by our prior knowledge and our expectations, and it is not a direct reflection of reality. Gestalt psychology has had a significant influence on the field of psychology, and its principles have been applied to a wide range of areas, including perception, learning, memory, and problem-solving. It has also been applied to fields outside of psychology, such as design and architecture, where the principles of Gestalt psychology are used to create cohesive and meaningful designs. Overall, Gestalt psychology is an important and influential perspective on the nature of perception and cognition, and it has contributed significantly to our understanding of how the mind processes and interprets sensory information. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future content, please don't hesitate to comment and reach out.